In this video, I will show you how to set a system restore point in Windows 11. So this is quite a useful thing to do before you do anything big on your laptop or PC. For example, if you're installing something big and it's going to basically help if something goes wrong with the installation, you have got that restore point to restore your system back to before that was installed, or it might be something else you're trying to do. Before we get started, if this video does help you out, then please consider leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. Now, to get started, what you want to do from your desktop is, first of all, you want to open up your settings. So if you actually come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto the option which says system. And once you're on the system section, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see an option for about. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. On this next screen, come to the device specification section, and just underneath this you're going to see a few related links. Now what you want to do is click onto advanced system settings, and that's going to bring up a window like this. From here, come up to the top, you're going to see some different tabs, and what you want to do is click onto system protection. Now before you can create a restore point, you need to make sure system protection is turned on for the drive that you want to create a restore point for. For myself, you can see I've got system protection turned on for my C drive, but if it's currently turned off, just select your drive from the list, click onto configure, and what you can do is it's going to bring up a window where you can turn on or disable system protection. So make sure you do turn this on so you can create a restore point, and then click apply and OK. Now, once you've done this, coming back to this window here, you're going to see down towards the bottom the option to create a restore point for the drives that have system protection turned on. So what you want to do is click the create button. That's going to bring up a window like this. And from here, what you can do is type a description or a quick title to create your restore point. So in this example, I'm going to call this one test restore, but of course you can put something like the date and time, just something to help you remember when you created this restore point. Once you've done that, click on to create, and it's just going to take a minute or two to create your restore point, so just give it a minute to finalize. And then you should get a pop-up message like this saying that the restore point was created successfully. So at this point, just close this window down, and then of course you can carry on doing what you need to do. But if anything does go wrong, then if you actually come back to here following the steps at the start of the tutorial, and on this window you're going to see the system restore option here, give it a click, and then what you can do is click onto next on the window that comes up, and you should now find your test restore, or whatever you've called your restore point. Windows is now and again going to create some restore points, generally for when an update is installed and things like that as well. So you're going to see some other ones come up, but of course you just want to find the restore point. You can also see the date and time of when that restore point was created. So you can just select, click next at the bottom, and then follow the steps to restore your system to an earlier date and time if you need to. So that is how to set a system restore point in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.